Hi, and welcome back to my 21 Gun Saloon. I'm a disabled veteran that likes to make drinks, and I would like to share them with you. Today I'm going to take this coconut rum made by Parrot Bay and mix it with the Mountain Dew Game Fuel Citrus Cherry Soda. What you will need is 1.5 ounce of your coconut rum, and top it off with your citrus cherry soda. Give that a quick little stir. These videos are also my way to honor the memory of the men and women who volunteer or may have been drafted to serve this country. I will now raise my glass and pay my respects to Roy West Jr. Roy passed away February 18th, 2024. He served in the Army for 4 years and he called Montana home. Thank you so much for your service. You will be missed. Wow. Solid 9.5 out of 10. Really great combination. Coconut cherry. Excellent. On average, 22 veterans and soldiers take their lives daily. If you're having a mental health crisis and would like to receive help, call Mission 22 at 800-273-8255. These services are free, so call if you need any help. If you have had this drink and would like to rate it, please leave your rating in the comment below. If you would like for me to dedicate an episode to a fallen veteran or soldier, email me at my21gunsaloon@gmail.com and I will dedicate it to your fallen hero. If you like the messages behind these videos, please like, subscribe, share them. Help me spread the word on mental health awareness. I do appreciate each and every one of you. Since these episodes contain alcohol, drink responsibly and do not drink and drive. Thank you and have a great day.